Okay, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to give you two examples of two equations for the slope of a line. And we're going to pick up the slope and the y-intercept of the line. Okay, so now the first one, notice that this is already in slope-intercept form. Okay, so notice again, if you write the slope-intercept form, it is y equals mx plus b. So in this case, this is already in this form. So what's the slope? Well, the slope is going to be equal to 3/2. Not 3/2 x, remember, m is the coefficient that's attached to the x. So you always look for the x and the coefficient. As long as it's in y equals mx plus b form, then you can easily find the slope and the y-intercept. And so in this case, the y-intercept is -3, right? Because it's plus. So we would write this as plus negative, and that tells us that the y-intercept is -3, or the point 0, -3. Okay? Now what about this one? Now this form here is not in y-intercept form. Okay? This is what we call standard form. This is the standard form, which is always ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are integers. Okay? So how do we put it in the slope-intercept form? Well, just solve for y. So we just isolate the y variable, and once we do that, then and put into y equals, whatever's on the other side is going to be in slope-intercept form. So I'm going to move the x over here, so I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. So if I do that, I get 3y equals -2x plus 4. And now all I have to do is just divide through by 3. And so then my answer becomes y equals -2/3 x plus 4/3. And now I can easily find my slope and my intercept. So in this case here, slope equals m, which equals -2/3, and the y-intercept is 4/3, or 0, 4/3. And that's it. And so notice right away, you know that the line behaves, this one's going down, right, because the slope is negative. This one is going up because the slope is positive, okay? And so you can easily graph these because you know the y-intercept, right? So you got that point, and then you've got the slope. So you can use the slope to find the next point, and once you have 2 points, you can plot and sketch the graph of a straight line. Okay, that's it. See you next time.